Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix bullet points not indenting in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's begin. As you can see, I have a slide ready which is consisting of 3 bullet points. You may also have a similar slide like this as you are indenting the bullet points. After selecting a bullet point, you can click on the 3 dots right over here, go to more options. If you're using the desktop app, you will find the paragraph section, and then you will find the option called increase list level. And as you can see, after I clicked increase list level, it is now an indented bullet point. Now if I go here and click on increase list level again, it will indent again. Now similar way, you can also decrease your listing like this. And if I decrease the list level again, it will go back to the way it was. And you can also manually do this thing by using the ruler option. So I will right click over here and click on ruler, and after the ruler is here, you can select a bullet option, and from here, if you drag the bottom indent, which is the hanging indent, your text will be dragged, and if you drag the top one, your bullet point will be dragged. However, if you drag the square indent on the bottom, both your bullet point and your text is going to move at the same time, just like this. So that is how you can also manually indent your bullet points. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.